Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be exploring various slide related options. So let's get started. First of all, let's see how you can create a new slide. So I have already created slide by clicking onto slide and pressing enter key onto slide. So it will generate a new slide. So as you can see, new slide is generated. But this is not the only way to create a new slide. So let's see how you can create a new slide with another option. So first I will right click onto this new slide and select delete slide. Delete slide option can be used for deleting this particular slide. So this slide is deleted. Now to create a new slide, you can either right click on this slide and select new slide option, or you can go to this slide section and select this new slide. So I am creating new slide with this, and new slide is created. So now you can give title to your slide and start writing points. Now as I have said, you can delete slide using this delete slide option. If you want to duplicate particular slide, completely duplication of particular slide, then you can use this duplicate slide option. Let's see it in action. So I am duplicating this slide. So right click onto this slide and click onto this duplicate slide option, and that slide will be duplicated. So this is how you can duplicate your slide. Now another option is hide slide option. If you want to hide your slide, you don't want to delete it, but you want to hide it, then you can select this hide slide option. So now this slide is hidden. If you want to unhide your slide, then you can go to this slide section and select unhide. This slide is now unhidden. So this way you can duplicate slide, create a new slide, and delete your slide and hide your slide. Now let's see one very useful option called layout. Currently I have this default layout which contains title and some points. So there are many different kind of layouts for slide is available. To see it, click on to this layout option and it will show you different kind of layout like title slide, title and content, which we are currently using, a section header. If you want two content side by side, then you can use this two content layout. If you want to compare two different things, then you can use this comparison. If you want only title, then you can use this title only slide layout. If you want a blank, then you can use this content with caption, then you can use this layout, and picture with caption. So let me select this comparison and click on to this change layout. So now my slide layout is changed. So these are the various operations which you can perform on slides. In next video tutorial, we will write a comparison of online education and offline education. Thank you very much.